Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. So this is the Catalina Summit Series. It's a 184 BHS. Can't wait to show you. So this is a perfect size for somebody who's never pulled anything before. If you've never pulled a trailer, this is something great you can learn on. It's big enough to actually enjoy, but not big enough to be super scary. So let's show you this bay right here. So you'll notice there's magnets, so you don't have to worry about no hooks or anything falling on you. So there's your cooktop right there. So let me show you how it works. You just kind of pull these little hooks. A lot of metal stuff has been getting popular lately. I love that they're doing that. Very reliable. You have a little fridge right here. Bottle opener. Storage bay right here as well. Got your, you can tie a dog right here. That's what that's for. If you got animals. So like I said, it's the perfect size for it not to be too tight. So because they did the Murphy bed, there's a lot of versatility here. You have a couch. Usually this is just a bed and that's all you get. Well, now you have a couch for your guests and a dinette. So you have both. Now let me show you about this. If you want to, you can make this into your bed. You just, basically the idea is you pinch these together and rock the base. And then you just let it fall. You pull this pin right here. And let this come down. There's your bed. So you get your bed, you get a couch. It transfers however you want to do it. You get two burners right here. This is a little protective spot. Maximize your counter space when it covers it like that, as well as this spot, so you can still have some counter. You can also prep right here, being it's so close to the kitchen. Why not? So this is your table. You sit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people right here, 5 adults. This does turn down into a bed. If you want to sleep an adult there, it could totally fit that. Now you have these beds right here as well. They don't do the little skinny tiny bunk beds anymore in this. These are the nice big wide ones. Actually, I mean, I'm kind of a smaller dude, but to be honest, I would sleep here and not complain. What are you gonna do, sleep in a tent? Oh, we like RVs. RV time. Here's your refrigerator. Separated refrigerator with your freezer. It's kind of nice when they're separated. Different temperatures and stuff. You got your bathroom in here. So that's a nice big shower, squared off instead of in the corner. I kind of like that personally. Subjective to opinion though, of course. Got enough space to sit on the toilet and move around and actually use it. Sometimes back in the day, you couldn't even sit there and fit. Got storage up here I totally skipped that I want to show you. It's very deep. I mean, heck, it's like my whole arm. It goes up to here. So you can fit things there. Got your AC unit right here. And this is a slide, just so you know. So when this pulls in, yes, you can still make your way back, but just roll the slide out. It's not going to be that hard. It takes like 5 seconds. Well, actually, it takes like 9 seconds and the whole slide is out. So you can roll the slide out for 9 seconds and get to the bathroom. So if you have any other questions about this rig, I can tell you all about it. I'm pretty fleshed up on this rig. So you can just give me a call. My name is CoBuystedt. My number is 541-735-1535. Thank you.